Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. I am Muhammad, and I would like to give a testimony about the Quran Reading Center because one of the teachers in this center is among the first uh, teachers who taught me at Tajweed. Subhanallah, he taught me how to pronounce the letters correctly, and that is helping me on still today. So I recommend you to sign for this program and to learn with this center because dealing with brother Muhammad, subhanallah, he's very patient, he's very knowledgeable about the tajweed, and he's very friendly, right? And he will take his time, inshallah, to teach you and to inform you good things about the tajweed, inshallah ta'ala. So I encourage you to rush into getting into this program. Barakallahu fikum.